Welcome. In front of me I have LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks that you can use when you get this smartphone. So let's open the camera, and when we are in the photo mode, we can use the filter. We can quickly change the temperature and the color of our photos. As you can see, there we got the couple of the filters. You don't even have to go for any other external application. You can just use this one that you have here in front of you. For example, we can set up vivid, okay. And of course, if you want to take a photo with this one, just click on the shutter. We can also find here the timer. So if you want to take a photo after a few seconds, like 3, 5 or 10, for example, you want to put your smartphone in front of you. Let's set on the 3 seconds, click on the shutter, and after a few seconds, photo will be taken. When you go for the settings on the left upper corner, you can easily increase quality of your photos. As you can see, currently it's set up on the 12 megapixel, but we can go for the 48. And right now our photos will get more details, so it's definitely worth to get it. Also, we can activate the grid lines to make better composition of the photo. As you can see, right now the lines appears on the screen, and you are easily, much better. You can put the object into the middle of the photo, as you can see, like this. So very useful thing. Let's try to go another time for the settings. What we can find here also, there we got the cheese shutter. So when we cannot press the shutter button manually, we can use this cheese shutter. So we can say cheese, smile, whiskey, kimchi, or LG. Let's try how it works. So let's say LG. And as you can see, the photo will be taken. So there is also a good combination when you use this timer. So we don't even have to press it. You can put your smartphone in one place, then go for the another one, take a good position, and then you can say LG, and your timer will be enabled, and the photo will be taken after a few seconds. So very good combination with this feature, between these two features. When you switch to the video mode, you can also quickly increase the video resolution from HD to Full HD, just like that. And also in the smartphone, you can find the sticker mode. So as you can see, you can apply stickers, the funny stickers on the photos. It looks like that. There you got the couple of them. Here we have to find the face. Okay, let's try to use the front camera. And let's see how it works. Oh, as you can see right now it works. So we can take a photo with this one. There it is. So as you can see, the stickers you can use on the front and the rear camera. In the rear and the front. Oh, sorry guys, let's go back to the camera. And here we can also use the Google Lens. So when you tap on this icon and click allow, you can quickly find objects. For example, you want to buy something and you don't know what is the name of those AirPods wireless, so you have to put it into this place, into this frame, and then tap on the shutter. And as you can see, after a few moments we got results online. Wait, stop here, and there we got the AirPods Pro earphones, and we can just go straight and just buy them right here. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.